What's up YouTube? Welcome back to ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. Today we will do the quick unboxing of the watch, which is not a smartwatch, but I just wanted to share with you. This is a very nice gift for your girlfriend, for your sister. Let's open and see what it looks like. It cost me like $20 and it is a good watch, good present, good gift for the Christmas or for the Thanksgiving. It depends which type of present you want. Let's start unboxing of this package, which is just arrived from China. Okay, I think we need to start it here, and then we go here. Let's see which type of watch this is. Okay, the brand calls Dom. It's a nice presentation, nice box. Dom brand watch, 990 RMB. Dom. Okay, it looks good. Nothing here. And here is the watch. Actually, very nice present, as I told you. This is for cleaning, and let's move forward and find what we can get from the box. Okay, box is empty. Let's put it here. I think there is a book inside there. There is a Dom card, Deo Opti Maximo, worldwide guarantee, Domo HK. Very interesting. This is a card. You can fill your reference, stamp of vendor, and card number. And here is the Dio Optimo Maximo, which the DOMS is mean user manual. And of course, everything is in Chinese. Yeah, this is it, guys. Let's see what the watch looks like. It has a Dom precision of expertise, and the strap made is not genuine leather. It says genuine leather. I am not sure if it is genuine leather, but actually very interesting. There's nothing to the crown, no crown here for that, but there is a back side which has this crown. I think some kind of this watch is moving or what. But again, this is very nice present for the girl. You can buy it for your sister, for your girlfriend, for your mom, of course. This is it, guys. Stay well, stay cool. See you in next video.